Okay, time for an update on the Proteus model. So I've got 3 of the 4 base sections done, and as you can see from the scale, my god, this thing was coming out bigger than I was expecting. And of course this is upside down part of the submarine, that's the bottom hatch, as opposed to the top, so it'll end up orientated this way. I'm going to take you and show you what's coming off at the moment. Okay, so that's the front section of the Proteus. You can see all the windows there. That'll be where the top bubble is, where the captain would sit. We're pretty close to finishing. I've got about 9 hours I think left on it. That was a over a 2-day print. Here's the 4th section of the base, so that's nearly done, and then I can do the pieces that go around the outside and underneath. But yeah, strong structure. Perhaps could have used less infill, which might have sped things up. It's pretty dense, but it's looking very nice. So here we can see on the computer, so the red area is where we've printed up to, so I've still got this little top section left there, and it should be done. Alright, I'll give you another update tomorrow. Bye. Oh, update time. The Proteus front half is finished, and so let's see if it will prise off. Probably should use both hands, take it off gently. Yeah, still stuck on the bed, still a bit warm. So that took a, what was that, total of 62 hours and 19 minutes. Woo. Anyway, last section still of the base coming off there. Still got my Cobra 3 Max running off some multicolour prints. I'm going to start trying to do some of the internal panels for the Proteus on that shortly. But yeah, everything's looking fine. I'm going to go put the phone down and see if I can get this thing off the table and slice up the next piece. Okay, so the support pieces are off. I have to do a little bit of filing on the rough edges there where the supports are touching it. But man, that's a big piece of ship. Of course, there's where a lot of the joins will go together, hold it all in one piece. Of course, the windows here, I've got to make those clear windows out of clear filament. Let's see how those come out. Got a fair bit of weight to it, so let me go and put that with the other pieces. Okay, so there's that piece. This, I said, was the underside, so that looks like those holes will match up with that. Of course, then there's a rear section to go on there. So already this is starting to look like a big old model. So, yep, coming along nicely. Monday morning, and the last piece of the display base is done. I'll prise that off. And this is one of 2 sections on the rear of the Proteus. Let's see what that's got. That's 46% done. It's still got another 20 hours to go. So alright, let me go and get something to prise this thing off the bed.